me start with a simple question. What if you wake up and most of your important tasks were already done? Your emails have drafted replies, meetings are organized, your project information is collected, and a quick summary for you to go. The best part, you never asked anyone to do that for you. This is where agent-based systems are changing how we work. They don't just answer questions, they understand goal, plan step, and help complete tasks with minimal input. And the exciting part is you don't need to get into a big tech company to build this. With a simple right roadmap, anyone can get started. So in this video, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step paths to get started and learn Agentic AI from scratch and build your own system. Before we get started, let me quickly show you what we are going to cover in this video. We'll begin with programming, which is the starting point for working with AI. From there, we'll move into machine learning, where systems start learning patterns from data. Next, we'll step into deep learning, which builds on machine learning and helps handle more complex problems. After that, we'll look at transformers, the technology behind many modern AI systems. Then we'll explore generative AI, where models can create things like text, images, and codes. And finally, we'll bring everything together and look at AI agents, how these ideas completely connect to build systems that can help in a real task. By the end of this video, you'll be having a clear idea of where to start and what to do. So before we get started, here's a quick piece of information you might want to know. If you're looking to transform your career and go ahead in the AI and automation space, Simplilearn has partnered with IHFC and IT Delhi to offer the professional certificate program in generative AI, machine learning, and intelligence automation. This program is perfect for anyone eager to develop cutting-edge skill in AI and automation and land a top job in industries that are rapidly adopting these technologies. Here's what you are going to have: a program certificate from IHFC and IT Delhi powered by Simplilearn, 2 days campus immersion at IT Delhi and exclusive IHFC Executive Club status, Microsoft course completion batches and trophies to showcase in your skills, and 20 plus tools plus 12 plus real-world projects to work on and build your strong portfolio. Masterclass from industry expert including intelligence automation application and agentic AI. This 11-month program is designed to equip you with most relevant in-demand skills that every industry needs today. Plus, you'll be having a hands-on learning to get the chance to work at top AI tools like Python, TensorFlow, OpenAI, LangChain, and more. But before we begin, I want you to ask a quick question. Which programming language is widely used to build AI system today? Java, Python, C++, Swift. Take a second and think about it. And instead of just guessing in your mind, drop your answers in the comment section below. And don't worry if you are not sure, because the answer will be very much obvious for you after we'll cover the first step in the roadmap. So let's begin with the foundation. Every journey has a starting point, and for building AI system, that starting point is Python. Before you create anything intelligent, you need a way to communicate with your computer. Programming is simply giving step-by-step instructions, much like explaining how to make a tea. And computer follows exactly what you tell it. Nothing more, nothing less. Python is widely used because of its simple, readable, and powerful features. Beginners can pick it up quickly, and yet it is also used by professionals to build advanced AI systems. One of its biggest strengths is its own ecosystem of libraries. These ready-made tools that save time and effort. NumPy handles mathematical operation efficiently. Panda helps in organizing and cleaning the data. And Seaborn allows visualization. Scikit-learn learns and enables machine learning. TensorFlow and PyTorch support deep learning. Libraries like NLTK and Spacey help process human language. At this point, you have something important, a way to write an instruction and tool to work with data. But if every instruction comes from you, the system is only as smart as the rules you give. So the next step is figuring out how to move beyond that, how to build systems that don't just follow instruction but actually learn from data. And that is exactly what machine learning is designed to do. Instead of writing rules of every situation, you give a system clear step and it start finding pattern of its own. Think of something like classifying reviews like positive or negative. Writing rules for that would quickly become impossible because people express the same emotion in countless different ways. But when you provide labeled example, the system begins to notice patterns. What positive reviews tend to look like and negative ones have in common. And over time, it learns how to make prediction on its own. The more data it sees, the better it becomes. The shift from rules to learning is what powers recommendation system, fraud detection, predicting analysis, and it works incredibly well until we start dealing with something far more complex than numbers and patterns. Because the moment we move to human language, things become much lesser predictable. Human language is filled with small details and meaning that can be hard to notice. The same sentence can carry different intention depending on tone, structure, and even one single word. And for a machine, none of that is obvious. This is where natural language processing comes in. When you ask a voice assistant a question, the system has to process your words, figure out what you actually mean, and then generate a useful response, all in the fraction of seconds. The ability is what makes AI interactive and useful. But as soon as conversation becomes longer or meaning becomes dependent on the earlier context, even these systems begin to struggle. Because understanding a single sentence is one thing, understanding how meaning evolves across multiple sentences or the entire conversation is something entirely different. This is where deep learning starts to make a difference. Instead of relying on deep learning uses neural network that process information in layers. Each layer is built on the previous layers. In image recognition, for example, earlier layer detect edges and shapes, while deeper layer identify pattern and objects. These layered approach allows system to handle far more complex problem, whether it is recognizing faces, understanding speech, or analyzing large amount of data. It adds depth of how machine process information. But even with that added, there is still a gap, especially when it comes to a language, because no matter how powerful this model becomes, maintaining context across long pieces of text remains a challenge. And solving that requires a completely different way of thinking. That new way of thinking comes in the form of transformers. Earlier, model processed languages step by step, one word at a time, trying to carry context forward. But the longer the text, the harder it becomes to track or mattered. Transformers change that by looking at everything at once. Instead of moving through a sentence sequentially, they process the entire input together and analyze how every word relates to every other word. This allows them to understand context much more efficiently. So, when a sentence includes a reference like it, the system can accurately determine what that word refers to, not by guessing, but by understanding the full context. And once AI reached this level of understanding, something important happens. It stopped just interpreting languages and it starts generating it. This is where AI takes a leap forward. Instead of only analyzing or classifying data, generative AI creates something entirely new. It can write text, generate images, produce music, and even create code, all in one time. Every output is built from the pattern the system has learned, but the result itself is new, created in that moment. That is what makes it so powerful. But even with all these capabilities, there is still one limitation. These systems don't act unless you ask them to. They wait for input, generate output, and then stop. Which raises an interesting question: what if AI doesn't wait? What happens if it can take the goal and figure out the steps of its own? This is exactly where AI is designed to. Instead of responding to prompts, this system towards outcome. You define the goal and the system determines how to achieve it. For example, Rather than asking an AI to complete tasks one by one, you could simply ask it to schedule a meeting. It can check calendar, find a suitable timing, and send an invitation and set a reminder, all as a continuous process. It plans, decides, and acts. This transforms AI from tool into something more like a collaborator. And once you have built a system that is capable, the next step becomes less about what you can do and more about who can use it. Because until this point, everything exists locally. Your system works, but only for you. Deployment changes that. It makes your AI more about your person. It moves your AI from your personal machine to cloud, where it can run on powerful server, be accessible from anywhere. Now, instead of serving one user, it can support thousands or even millions at a time, but become scalable, readable, and always available. And that is the moment where AI stops being just a project and it becomes something real. When you look back at the full journey, everything connects. You start with Python, giving you a ability to build. Then machine learning allows systems to learn from data. Natural language processing enable communication. Deep learning adds the ability to handle complexity. Transformers bring deeper understanding of context. Generative AI introduces creation. AI adds autonomy, and deploying brings it all in the world. But each step builds on the one before it, and together they lead to something much bigger. When you look back at the full journey, everything connects. You start with Python, giving you an ability to build. Then machine learning allows system to learn from data. Natural language processing enables communication. Deep learning adds ability to handle complexity. Transformers bring deeper understanding of context. Generative AI introduces creation. Agentic AI adds autonomy. And deploying brings it all in the world. Each step is built on the one before it, and together they led to something much bigger than just a single project. We are moving into the world where AI doesn't just respond, but think, plan, and act. And people who are understanding how to build this system are ones who will shape the future. So the question is not whether this shift is happening. It already is. The real question is whether you will be a part of it. The path is right in front of you. All it remains to start.